Right, Range Rover Sport, our Project Range Rover Sport L494. There's various rear bumpers. We've upgraded the bumper to the SVR rear bumper, and we've done a video of how to do that there. In this video, we are going to show you how to upgrade your normal bumper, which will look like this. You've got the fog light in, and this bottom section here is a textured plastic. We're going to show you how to go to the dynamic rear bumper, and you'll notice this is all smooth here. The other bumper has got a little scallop here. We'll show you. So we're going to show you how to go from that standard bit, and it's only this corner we're upgrading. You can upgrade it to this autobiography dynamic type, which has got this extra scallop here, a styling thing, and also you will notice it's smooth. We've painted this gloss black, but this was body coloured on the autobiography dynamic models. So we supply these panels, but we're going to do in this video show you how to fit them. Now we've done one side, as you can see. Gary's worked out sort of. It might not video well, we'll have a look, but at least we'll do a video and show you how to do that. Right, do you want to get that bumper, Gary? Now, it could possibly be done on the car, but I'm thinking not. I'm thinking this is going to be a job. Take your rear bumper off, clean everything, get it onto a... We're having to strap this onto a chair, but you want to be careful with your other paint work. So we're going to take off this side. Now, what Gary's done, he's gone along and there's a series of clips, because you've actually got this top panel and the main frame and this panel all clipped together along this edge. So not all the clips are to do with the panel we're trying to remove. So Gary's coloured the ones that we need to remove in orange. So these clips are not, these clips are. So basically it's the longer clips. The shorter clips are for holding the other panel on, right? There's also two screws, one screw at the bottom here. Again, yours won't be orange. Gary's done that to make it easier. And the other screw is on the top there, okay? So you've got that there and there. And then there's this little clip in here that we're going to have to remove. So we'll do those. So go on then, Gary. So what Torx have you got there? Do you know what size that is?
T15.
T15, that's a little tiddler. So this inner frame here is to support the active, what do they call it, the gesture tailgate. That isn't being removed at all. It's just that little quarter plastic. Alright. Hold on, did I miss a screw out? I might have missed that one in my waffling area. So how many screws is it? 3 screws?
3.
3 screws and a fixing, I missed that one. Alright, and you got that top one, and that clip just squeezes together and forces. You might have to push the back, Gary. Push with the tool. Yeah, that's that one off. Right, now we've got a worker. So that's all the mechanical fixings. Now Gary's pointing out we will have to reuse that when you refit the new panel, but we'll get to that in a minute. Right, so we're going to try and take out the tabs. We're only going to focus on the orange ones. We're going to try and leave the small ones and focus on those bigger ones that we've coloured in. So have a go starting at the top there, Gary. Well, that's coming. They may have to work the other side a bit, I don't know. Maybe we have to go in the... You can see there's a little... that one's loose. Right, and what's the trick on the bottom one? Right, when you've got all these out, the best thing then is to try and get this bottom corner out. We're leaving these ones along this side for now, but you've got to give quite a big pull on this bottom corner to get that out. And once you've got that out, then you can start to work these out. So it's a little bit of a technique. You might find a better way, but we've sort of worked out that... You know, I think you open that. If the more you twist that around, Gary, it should. I can rip it, Gary. Yeah, from that. Right, so I've come around the other side. So we need to just try and get those clips out. That's it. So once you get started on those, they're not too bad. So the reverse, they just clip in. So you see you've got to fight it out. The trick you're going to have to watch is just make sure you don't damage the other paintwork. Obviously, if you've got a new bumper or you're replacing your bumper, it's no problem anyway. But the other one, just clean that up. And then the other one just clips back in, put your screws in. Well, where's that fitting we got to swap over?
There's these two here. So there's one up here.
Yeah. And so they just, so you can see they just clamp round. They just clamp round the panel. So you've got that on your new one. And you just slide that over, clamp that on. And that's those two. And everything else fits back the same. The only other thing to watch is that on some vehicles, I'm looking around, Gary, I'm trying to find that other bit we've got. On some vehicles, you will have an extra parking sensor. Now, yeah, we've worked out, well, if you've got a parking sensor on the side, you're going to have to transfer that over and cut that. But it's only the vehicles with the self-parking that have that. So watch out for that if you've got that extra hole in your car. Right, good luck with that. Little bonus feature on the end of the video. If when you're after assembly, you have got a little gap, let me show you where on the bumper. If you've got a little gap next to the fog light there, parking sensor and the bumper there, we did do that when we first put it together. And the problem was this clip here got stuck on that edge in there. So if you find it's not, make sure all these clips have got room to move. A little gap here and a little gap there. So just make sure nothing was stuck. We thought the panel didn't fit very well and we realised we'd made that little mistake. So watch out for that one.